everybody today. Welcome back. First of all, welcome back to Nikki and Mike's channel. We are back today finally with another video. And today what we'll be cooking is Eggfoo Young. Homemade Eggfoo Young. This is my first time. Hopefully, you know, I never made it before, so we're in here praying for the best. So anyway, what we have for you today, we have some cooked shrimp. Some nice cooked shrimp. They were raw shrimp when I bought them, of course. I peeled the veins, and they were pretty big, so I cut them in threes. Okay, I'll show you in a minute. It's nothing. You just cut your shrimp in three. If you have big shrimp, if you have smaller shrimp, that's fine too. But also we have some green onion. Some green onions sliced up, scallion. Some people may call them scallion. Some white onion, yellow onions rather. What do you call these things again? I forgot. Wait. Bean sprouts. My bad, y'all. Oh my God. Okay, bean sprouts. We also gonna be for the sauce. Oh, I have, you know, some people, I use MSG, you know, like accent salt or whatever you call it. But it wakes up the flavor. Okay, it's just accent. Got a little bit of sugar. That's for the sauce as well. This is oyster sauce. It's a must. Salt, pepper, soy sauce, and I might be using some of this sesame oil. Okay, sesame oil. And I don't have, you could use chicken stock or whatever you have. I don't have any on hand, and I didn't look for none. I have some, like a chicken bouillon. Okay, it's just a chicken powder bouillon. Some cornstarch to thicken up your gravy. And that's about it. And some eggs, of course. You need eggs. Okay? So we have some eggs here. Alright, I'll be right back. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. I'm going to get a napkin. Okay, guys. So now we're back. We're going to start putting the bean sprouts in a bowl. Take as many as you want. I'm going to just throw all of them in here. Now, you don't have to use bean sprouts if you don't want to. If you don't like them. You know, throw a couple of these in there. Alright. I'm just used to really the onion part too. I've seen them. I figured why not. As far as the bean sprouts go. I'll dump all that in there. I use 1 onion. I'm going to try to make 6 patties. We're going to throw the shrimp in there. This is about maybe a pound of shrimp. They were pretty big. Size 16-20. So they were pretty big. And we go ahead. We're gonna do it. So if I want 6 patties, I guess 2 for each of us. Me and the fam. So we're gonna do 6 eggs. They're pretty small eggs. What are these? Large white. They look small, but let's see. See what it do. Last one. Okay.
There you go, guys. 6 eggs, shrimp, scallions, onions. Man, look like Eggfoo Young is being made up in here.
All right. Babe, you want to pass me a utensil? Or I'm going to go get a utensil. Or should I have gotten a whisk? Let me see. Now remember, this is my first time now. Now you don't want, I guess you don't want to.
I don't want to beat it.
Beat it up. Man, I don't know. Might be a fail. That'll be embarrassing. But I'm going to put it in there, out there anyway. So you know what not to do. think maybe we could put a little salt and pepper in here. I don't think I want to season this here. You know, let natural flavors come out. You know, with the shrimp and the onions and stuff like that. Instead, the gravy now. That's where you're gonna get all the flavor from. Put a little pink Himalayan salt. Mix that bad boy up.
Yeah, you just want to mix it around. You don't want to just like beat it like you're making scrambled eggs, because it'll turn a little watery. You don't want that.
Yeah, just like when you overbeat your regular scrambled eggs. Huh?
So you're gonna do it just like that.
Now I already made the rice. We gonna eat this with some white rice. I did the white rice in the Ninja Foodie. And that was fast. I don't have to I don't have to deal with the stove and all that. My rice was done in 10 minutes. 12 minutes actually. If you got a Ninja Foodie, I did 2 cups of rice.
2.5 cups of water.
2.5 cups, right, 2.5 cups of water, and that was it. And then you pressure cook it for 2 minutes, and then you let it release pressure for 10 minutes. Natural release pressure. And your rice is done. I'll show y'all that.
That's it. Quick release at 10 minutes.
Natural release. Yep. That's it.
So that's it, guys. Do you guys eat Eggfoo Young? You ever tried it? You ever had it at the local Asian cuisine or Chinese spot? Or here in New York, the Chinos? If you have... comment down below. Let us know if you like it, if you don't like it, if you ever tried to make it. Would you try to make it? So,
alright, so look, we're going to go head to the stove. We're going to head to the stove. I'm going to warm up. I'm going to show you how much oil that I have in the pan. I got like maybe 1.5 cups, of oil. 2 cups. You don't want a little tiny bit of oil because you don't, it'll be flat. But if you want a nice little patty, thick little, nice little patty. Hopefully, this is going to come out right. I'm telling y'all like I know. But let's go to the stove. I'm going to show you how much oil I have. We're going to get that whole oil heated up. And I'll be right back.
Yo, tell them about the spoon. Tell them about the spoon.
Oh, you want to use one of these
tell them
bad
about
boys.
The spoon.
I want to use one of these bad boys. We get it in there. That's what yeah. Too professional. I don't know. Mike, I hope we got enough eggs in here. So, we'll see. All right, we'll be back.
Alright guys, these patties is all put together and everything like that. So now we got our pan ready. Since we're making Eggfoo Young, I thought we'd bring out the wok, you know what I mean? So we're just gonna take it at this point, shake off the excess. Once your grease is nice and hot, you wanna just take this, put it in there. Nice little patty. Go for that second scoop. Look at all that shrimp in there, man. Oh, she done did it up. Make another patty. Like that, man. And there's eggs, man. So, once that get nice and brown, brown up real nice, yo. Really nice. So, like I said, if you like Eggfoo Young, give it a shot. You can add in what you want to add into it. Pork. You know what's into it. What they say about sometimes them, you don't know. But let's go ahead. So you want to get and watch it start browning on the outside. That's what you want to look for. Real nice right there. And keep your heat about medium high. You want it real high so it don't start soaking up the grease. So it's okay. It start browning. It's egg at the end of the day. And Once it get brown and nice, want to take and grab something else here so I don't mess myself up. Just gonna flip this. Having problems here. Usually I ain't in here, but I was gonna give it a shot today. So pretty much, you're gonna flip that. It's nice and brown. I'm gonna flip the other one. Nice and brown. There you go. Got two nice patties. Two nice Eggfoo Young patties coming right up. This is how we do it, you know? So once it get nice and brown, nice and golden brown, you know, you watch the color and everything. It shouldn't take long at this point anyway.
I'm noticing that like it looks a little darker on camera though, and it really does in real life because it's really golden here. You know, it's good. Don't get me wrong, but you see, a little something, something, something. But yeah, it's nice and golden brown. Just let your vegetables cook, I guess, and your egg make sure it's cooked all the way through. And this,
yeah, you gotta make sure it cooks all the way through. You know, you don't want it too soft in the middle here. Yeah. But it's looking good. Throw that rice, throw that sauce. Ooh! It's looking real good. Yeah, you can throw some oil onto it. She's the cook, you know. I'm just trying something here. You know what I mean? Under supervision, of course. So
nah, you can do your thing, babe. Yeah.
Got it going good. So I'll give it a few more, another minute or two, I guess, here. I'm going to take this out.
What's that? No.
It's looking real nice.
You want to check the other side just to look at it?
Just going to take a quick peek right here. See what's going on the other side. It's looking nice. It's looking nice. So everything's going as planned here. So as you see, it don't take long. You know, at the end of the day, it is egg, so it's gonna brown up real nice. So after it cooked, get golden and brown on both sides. Real nice. Nice. I'm going to take this, I'm going to take it out. Okay? Press it down, look at that. Press some of this grease out of this thing a little bit, just a little bit. Alright? Look at that. Look at that.
Came out good.
Eggfoo Young.
Yeah, we gotta give it a taster, so I guess that's the true test.
Eggfoo Young, people. Little shrimp. Eggfoo Young. Alright guys, so we got two patties made up here. So we're going to cook up the rest. We're going to get right back to you.
When we come back, we'll show you how to make the gravy. Okay guys, now we're going to make the gravy for the Eggfoo Young. Alright, right here I'm putting the chicken broth, the chicken bouillon in the boil. I have boiling water here. I'm going to add a teaspoon. Maybe a teaspoon, maybe 2 teaspoons. Okay? 2 teaspoons. Well, yeah. 1.5 teaspoons.
Yeah, I was making those patties. It was, you know,
came out
it
good.
was new for me. It was something different. And I said, well, you know, let the cook do what the cook do. You know, she's better cooking than I am, so let her have this one. But the patties came out nice. Take a quick glance at them. Nice patties.
Alright, then now I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of this oyster sauce. I had some already, so I'm going to use that. Maybe 4 tablespoons. I'm going to just use the whole damn thing.
Just get it done.
Just get it done. Just go by your taste, but just put some oyster sauce in there, okay?
We got the water boiling. Added some of the ingredients already.
Yeah, we just went ahead and ordered, put some oyster sauce and some beef bouillon. I'll also have 2 cups of water in here. That's what I had in here, 2 cups of water.
2 cups of water. And this is going to be the gravy for the Eggfoo Young. And like I said, if you don't eat Eggfoo Young, you should try it.
And I'm going to add a teaspoon of accent. Like a half a teaspoon of sugar. Maybe a little more.
Let's turn it nice and brown.
Alright, now we're going to make the cornstarch slurry. About a tablespoon, 2 teaspoons, because this is a teaspoon, this is here. So I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of some cornstarch. And into like a half a cup of water, excuse me. Just to thicken it up. Now, so pretty on the light side, so I'm going to probably add some soy sauce in that mix.
So you add a little soy sauce. Sauce it up a little bit. It's a little on the light side. Now your gravy need to be nice and dark. You know, if you like it nice and dark. But I like it nice and dark. She likes it nice and dark.
And we like a lot of gravy, too.
Yeah, and I like a lot of gravy. You like a lot of gravy in your Eggfoo Young? Comment down below. I'm just a gravy sauce person. You know, I like to drown it. Ketchup. Put it on it.
Alright, so we're going to wait for that to thicken up a little bit. And we're going to be right back. Finished results, okay? It might take a little while. Shouldn't take that long. But, you know, if it's too thin, you go ahead and add a little bit of your cornstarch slurry. And if it's too thick, you go ahead and add some more liquid, okay? And so you get the consistency that you like your gravy in. Right now, we're waiting for it to thicken up. As you see, that it definitely needs, for me, I need it to be a little thick. So, we'll be back.
And we'll be back, but we made the rice already.
Oh yeah.
As we were saying, we used the Ninja Foodie, which was real quick, easy. Like she said, it took like 2 minutes to cook the rice. Quick release. Here's the rice. Nice rice. It's our Eggfoo Young. And we're gonna let this gravy thicken. I'm gonna come back and set some plates. What do you think about that?
Oh, okay, guys, we're back. All right, and this is the end result. We have finished our Eggfoo Young. Our gravy is done. So I'm gonna we already made a plate, so I'm gonna just show you how we're gonna top it off. And hopefully you enjoy this recipe. It's good. Well, we're gonna try it anyway, okay? So I hope y'all try the recipe and like it, all right? So the gravy came out nice. It's nice, you can see. Came out real nice. Not too thick, not too thin, perfect, you know? We're just gonna go ahead and lay it over here. Eggfoo Young. This is good right here.
It's good stuff, man.
You want some on your...
It looks good, man.
This is for you. You want some on your rice too?
Yeah, I'll take some of my rice. Get that, just for me. Tell me. I am the luckiest guy.
If you want more sauce, you go ahead and add it on. Here we got some. We're going to garnish it with the scallions, the green onion. Put some on here too. Make it look pretty. Alright, and that's it. So, you want to taste test it?
Yeah, let us know.
Alright, let's see. That's a big bite. Where you go, shrimp that I found. Yeah, I can take your first bite. I don't think I'm gonna eat all of that right now. I'll be chewing forever. That's good, babe.
Good? Oh my goodness. I can't wait.
Delicious, man.
I can't wait. I'm gonna be eating, and this is one of my favorite dishes.
Yeah, sure is.
Who would know, man? I never thought you could make this at home.
This is good. So we're gonna go ahead and eat. We are hungry. So we are gonna make this good meal for my family to enjoy. Everybody's gonna enjoy this, and I promise you. If you like Eggfoo Young, give this a try. I promise you, you're gonna like it.
That's it, guys. And if
it's our first time too, so
yeah, this is our first time making Eggfoo Young. Like I said, it's one of my favorite dishes, and like I said, just give it a try. And you know what? You might like something new.
And don't forget to subscribe, comment below,
and click that bell.
Click the bell.
Guys, we'll bring you more content, more cooking videos, and just us having fun doing different things. So if you like the content, if you learned something, you know what I mean, just pass it along. And we'll hope to see you soon.
Peace.